Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to explore a little bit of Iraq. And by a little bit I mean Mosul and a monastery. So stay watching because it is a very interesting history. Yeah, a nice country which you will see in the video. So keep watching till the end. Here is a beautiful parking spot in the center or even on the bazaar. So I will be going to the bazaar now and we'll explore there. And yeah, really interested in what I will find, and especially in the culture and people. And yeah, let's go. So here we are at the spice market. Beautiful. All the spices here, wow, this is so beautiful. All the colors, all the people, great. It's really amazing to be here. It's so busy here. Here they make tagine, very good local food. Great. Here is the fish market. They have all different types of fish. And they all come from the Tigris. They're all from the river. Beautiful big fish. Beautiful. Oh, here they bake them. Really nice. And there are some lemons. Beautiful. Here we drink some tea together. Great. Good local tea. So where are we right now?
We are in the old town of Mosul, the ruins, the most destroyed place in Iraq, and the last area that was liberated by the security forces from ISIS control. It took around 7 months to liberate it from ISIS, and violent battles used to happen here every single day between the Iraqi forces and ISIS. Street wars. It was completely similar to Stalingrad in the Second World War. People were fighting like every day. The Iraqi army and ISIS from house to house, from room to room in these houses. And ISIS used to hide among people and use them like human shields and cover to protect them from the Iraqi army. After the end of the war, the local government evacuated many people, casualties from under the robbers. And around, I think, 350 people. So like after liberated this place from ISIS, the whole country was totally liberated. And this was in 2017. And now like we are in 2026, like after 8 years, things are looking up and the whole city was rebuilt again, except this part. And even this part, this town, they are working to rebuild it, but it takes a long time because it's completely destroyed. So this is the story of this place.
The battle against ISIS, Iraqi forces on the verge of a major success, taking back Mosul, a militant stronghold.
So everywhere you see the safe on the wall, and that means that it was checked for eventual mines and bombs, because ISIS left the bombs everywhere, and the police check it, and when it was checked they put safe on the walls. So almost all of the city was left in pieces like this, but everything is now rebuilt, and people are living here again. But this looks extremely bad. This building in front, that used to be a church, and it's completely gone right now. So it's very shocking to see this. Like, these people were all living in very bad war. This mosque was also destroyed by ISIS, and now they have rebuilt it completely. So this beautiful building, everything here was also destroyed, like the place we just showed, and now it's all rebuilt and people are living here again. But yeah. So this mosque is a special place, right?
Yeah, this is one of the almost the most important place in Mosul. It's named Al-Nuri Mosque and Al-Hadba Minaret. The mosque and the minaret were built 850 years ago by a man from Mosul. His name was Nur ad-Din Zinki. And when ISIS occupied Mosul, the Caliph of ISIS, al-Baghdadi, made his sermon and declared the caliphate here in this place, in this mosque.
We are in the mosque now, and it is in this place that the caliphate was established by the Islamic State. So I am driving in Mosul, and Mosul is the same city as ancient Nineveh, but this is like a reconstruction of the wall, and there is literally nothing left from Nineveh. Everything has been destroyed by ISIS. So this is supposed to be the wall, and everything else is gone. There was a library and some beautiful monument, and everything is gone. So that's very sad, because I really wanted to visit Nineveh because of the famous story which is found in the Bible, the Quran and some ancient manuscripts about prophet Jonah, who came here to preach, and then the city converted to the God of the Bible, which is a very interesting story. But yeah, it's really sad that everything has been bombed, everything is gone. So we will be driving towards other very special places, like Hatra and Babylon, which is more left to see. So today I will start driving towards there, and yeah, we'll see you. We have arrived at a special place, because here is a monastery which is still inhabited to this day by monks and Christians. That is yeah, very special. Wow. Wow, the architecture is surely very beautiful. Here we see the Syrian Orthodox Church. Graves of the saints. So here are the saints. I think the founder also, yeah. I can't read Arabic, so. But yeah, it's very cool to see that there is like a church in this country. And there are still monks here. And in the top of this monastery there were 7,000 monks here, and it had a giant library with manuscripts, and it was founded in 363. So it's a really old monastery. It's still in working. There are the ancient ruins and the new monastery right there. I am now walking on a special place, which I will show you in a minute. And when you look on internet, it says that this location is full of landmines and unexploded booby traps. So yeah, that's really interesting to walk. But I see that there are also sheep who are walking here. I see the traces of the sheep. So as long as I walk in the path where the sheep are walking, I should be safe. So yeah, let's see. This hole you see here is a sinkhole, which is a natural phenomenon which occurs on more places in the world, but this sinkhole is very notorious because this is the location where 20,000 people have been killed by ISIS. 20,000 people who were killed in this location. This sinkhole used to be 100 meters deep or something like that, and then ISIS would take their prisoners, the Christians, the Yazidi people and other ethnic minorities. They would take them to this pit and they would have to blindfold and then kneel on the edge of the sinkhole, and they would be pushed in, so they would fall to their death. And then after ISIS was forced to retreat, they dumped shipping containers inside the hole and they filled it up with sand. So they estimate that there are around 20,000 people in this mass grave. What a horrible story. And actually I searched it up on Google. This mass grave is the biggest mass grave in the world from the 21st century. So there are no bigger mass graves than this one. So yeah, it's very strange to be standing here. How much pain and how much agony those people had to go through, and then just to fall to their death or be executed here. It's very weird to be standing there. Getting diesel in Iraq is a little bit harder than in the Netherlands or in other countries, because at the big station you cannot have the diesel, but here you can have. Okay, we have to first make a selfie. Oh, it's always funny. Everyone wants a selfie with you, but here you get like the fuel from the big thing, and here you can see how many liters you just tanked. 24 liters. Beautiful. So, and always everyone wants selfie with you and everyone wants to look at you. And the best part about filling up your diesel at a station like that is that you get a full tank of diesel, like 60 liters, for 28 euros. 28! It's so funny. In the Netherlands it's like €2.20 or something, I don't know, I am not currently in the Netherlands, but it's so expensive in the Netherlands, and here it is so cheap. It's crazy how cheap it is here. But yeah, we are now driving towards Hatra, which you will see in the next video. So that is the end for today's video again. This one is short, but yeah, I didn't want to make you look for 20 minutes towards a city. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. And yeah, in the next videos I will be showing you around Iraq, which is a really beautiful country, and it's definitely in my top 3 favorite countries because of the amazing hospitality and the amazing people. It's just amazing to be here. So if you ever get the chance, go to Iraq, because it will be worth it, really. It's very easy to get a visa. Just apply for the e-visa and you can get it, and you can fly here and have an amazing time with the local people here. It's really great, and would recommend it absolutely. That's what I wanted to say, and I hope you subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, my channel will grow so we can share more and more people of what I see and beautiful cultures I visit. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.